Welcome to our Week 5 Middle School Assembly hosted by Room 5.
Our hosts for today are Ari Blue,
Namaste,
Mele,
Kia ora.
and myself, Callie, Bulavanaka.
Please close your eyes and bow your heads for karakia, followed by our himene and national anthem.
Ka ingoa tātou.
e te atua, o mai kia mātou, te marumatanga, te rangi marie, te kaha me te aroha, o tēnei rā, Āmene. O Lord, give to us your knowledge, your kindness, your strength and love on this day. Amen.
Now it's time for the Year 7 awards.
Kia ora Middle School. This week Room 5 certificates go to 3 girls that have shown leadership throughout the year, and that's Ari Blue, Kelly and Mele. Thank you girls for hosting our assembly.
This week, my awards go to 7 students who represented our middle school and our bronze medal Enviro Schools reflection, and those students are Kansas, Tavita, Naira, Amaya, Eunice, Valu, and Cecilia. Thank you all so much for doing an excellent job presenting all the work we've done this year.
Talofa Middle School, my awards go to Emily, Irai, and Joanna for their continued effort and excellence for their online learning.
Kia ora Middle School, my award goes to everyone in Room 11 that has been joining in our online classes. thank you so much for being in our discussions, for coming online and just being there every day. So shout out to everyone in room 11. Yeah.
Talofa lava, everybody. I have a special ESOL award this week for Ioana Lauvali for taking the leadership in our online ESOL meetings. Well done, Ioana. Bye, everyone.
Kia ora Middle School this week from Room 3, the awards go to Tere Api'i Natua, Xavier Tassi and Kolowhai Lavemai for bringing a positive attitude this week and engaging in all their online lessons this week.
Good morning, Middle School. Today my awards go to Lisita, Annie, and Angel for always coming to our dance classes and for always trying their very best to be confident and show their dance skills for everybody to learn.
Good morning, Middle School. For Room 10, these awards go to Militia and Simone for sharing their topic on their countries chosen for this week.
Congratulations to those who have received an award. Tino Pai.
Our online learning journey by Room 5.
On the 17th of August 2021, a community case of COVID was discovered in Oakland. Nobody knew where it came from. One thing they were sure of was that this was the Delta variant. That night at 11:59 p.m., Oakland went into instant lockdown, throwing us all into online learning. Take a look at the things we liked, loved, and hated about learning through a screen.
My online journey was fantastic. I got to work with my teachers and friends in another classroom for more experience of breakout rooms. At the end of each class, we get to play Kahoot, which is my favorite. We usually do Kahoot on the work we have to do that day, which I think is amazing. At the beginning of the online class, we have a game of bamboozle about what my teacher wants us to revise over. And the rest of the class is what we have to do for the day. But overall, my online journey really took the best of me, and even though my journey had a lot of ups and downs, I still really enjoyed it.
Although we have enjoyed learning online, we are really excited to get back to school. We miss our friends so much and can't wait to greet each other with ear high fives and talk in person. We can't wait to see you guys at school too, from a safe distance, of course.
My online journey has been a little weird and fun. I loved all the games and challenges we get, but it was kind of hard for me to focus on my work because sometimes my family is loud or intimidating me. But this online adventure was really nice. Sometimes me and my friends will do an online movie night. I also love the work we get. It's not too hard at all, but one thing I do miss is seeing my friends in person. This online adventure was also way different when I did online classes last year because we would stay on call all day long and they give us extra hard work. But this year online class was more fun and I thought it would be.
When I grow up, I want to have a healthy life. Wake up early, exercise daily. Healthy food I will eat, fats I will omit.
When I grow up, I want to grow spiritually. Always pray, never let my mind go astray. The difficulties I'll cope with love, faith, and hope.
When I grow up, I want to own a house as big as a palace, making others jealous. A big tree where everyone feels free.
When I grow up, I want to meet my extended family. Lots of chatter, remove the clutter. Then, we have a new fan.
When I grow up, I want to learn how to swim. Swish,
Swash, splash. Put my fears
fear
out in the flesh. At the pool,
I won't frown because I know I won't drown.
Now the Year 8 teachers will announce their award recipients.
Good morning, Middle School. The class awards for Room 8 go to George and Rose for their excellent online attendance and for always showing middle school manner.
Bulavinaka Middle School. So for Room 13, we have Alice Tilly and COC for continued attendance. They've really worked hard, but specifically for Nazarene, and that's for currently being the second highest with points in New Zealand with EP. Thank you.
This week, Room 1's award goes to 3 students. The first one is Riley for her continuous attendance and continuous communication with me during the lockdown. And the second award goes to Ivalani for all the work she has done and submitted the work on time and the effort she has put into the work she has handed in. And the last award goes to Siatau Tai for always attending the class and making sure that others join as well. So the award goes to these 3 students. Thank you.
Talafalava, everybody. My awards this week goes to Angel, Annie, and Sita, just for their positive attitudes and always coming online, and also taking risks on being recorded and participating in our assembly dances. Thank you.
Hi, middle school. This week, Room 4's award goes to Emma and to Paul for their outstanding presentation of the academic problem. Thank you.
Congratulations to those who have received an award. Tino Pai.
Best be ready for the time of your life. Cruising down the highway 35. Cruising down the highway 35.
Back to school feels. What are you looking forward to the most? But if you're not returning back, what are you going to miss?
What I'm gonna miss the most is tabloids. I'm looking forward to seeing my friends and eat my lunch. And see my teacher.
I'm looking forward to be socializing with my friends and teacher again and learning.
Getting out of my house.
I am looking forward to the new learning and activities we are going to be doing in class.
Seeing my classmates and my teacher in person.
I'm looking forward to playing football.
I'm looking forward to doing PE again.
I'm looking forward to having a hands-on education instead of an online one.
One thing I miss about school is my teacher, Miss Lemusu, and direct PE training.
Recess, because I like playing with my friends.
I'm looking forward to doing the activities that just set up for us at school.
Just spending the last days at school and spending time with Miss and the classroom and my friends here.
I'm looking forward to meet my friends and my teacher and my classroom.
I'm looking forward to play sports, get some free lunch, spending time with my friends for the last days.
To learning and seeing my friends.
Seeing my friends and hearing Miss Lemusu yell.
Seeing my friends, playing handball with other students and Miss Lemusu. And seeing my favorite principal.
Communicating with the other students.
I look forward to playing ping pong at school.
Growling the students for being loud.
School, please bow your head and close your eyes as I say the closing karakia. Kia tau.
Kia tātou katoa, te atawhai o tō tātou ariki a ihi karaiti, me te aroha o te atua, me te whiwhinga tautanga, ki te wairoa tapu, ake amini.
Thank you, middle school, for joining our online assembly. Remember, middle school mana, all day, every day.